Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a wild ride through the land of cubic equation with our star of the day. After watching this video with a little bit practice, you will never ever fear any cubic polynomial. Before going to start, how many solutions we'll have for x, just think of it. Yes, we get 3 solutions for 3 values of x because we are dealing with cubic equation. So that is x raised to the power 3. For example, if x square is there, that means it has 2 solutions, so it depends on the powers. We had now 3 solutions. For cubic equation, the best way to start by substituting in some simple numbers like 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 and so on. How, you may ask? Because in many we do equation verification by putting these values in the equation. So yeah, let's do. If x is equal to 1, then substitute in the equation x cubed plus x is equal to 10, then 1 cube plus 1, here 1 cube is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's not equal to 10. So let's try for x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in the equation, then we get 2 power 3 plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So we got it, we found one solution, that is x is equal to 2. So we are going to do next to 2 more solutions, then done. Then we take as polynomial diversion x is equal to 2, then we can write it as x minus 2 as a factorial. So the equation we can write it as x cubed plus x10 is equal to 0, and next step we can write as x cubed plus 0x squared plus x10 is equal to 0. Why here is 0? Because there is no x square term, so we are putting x square as 0 as coefficient. Then write the coefficients of the equation. X cubed coefficient is 1 and x square coefficient is 0 and x coefficient is 1 and constant is 10 and x is equal to as a factorial right and left hand side. Write 1 as same as it is. Then 2 multiplied with 1 right in the second column. Then add 0 and 2, 0 plus 2 is 2. Then 2 multiplies with 2 is 4 right in the third column. Now repeat the same process. Then we got the quadratic equation as x squared plus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Roots equation formula is x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So compare the equation with quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we get a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. Oh no, we got the imaginary number in the root. We should not stop at all, we know the special number, that is I. I is equal to square root of minus 1, so we can write it as minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16 into square root of minus 1 by 2. Then we get as x is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4i by 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2i, then we can write it as x is equal to minus 1 plus 2i and x is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. Yeah, here is the 2 solutions, we got it. Yeah, we got all 3 solutions. We are done for the equation x cubed plus x is equal to 0.